I'm sure you've heard the news, talent is tough to find. But what if you could add a developer who brings both skill and business sense? Here's what I bring to the table. I'm a passionate software developer with real-world experience in building scalable web and mobile applications. My focus? Rock-solid backend development using Laravel and NET Core. I've built everything from internal tools to employee ride-sharing apps and real-time dashboards, always using clean architecture and aiming for high performance. Need real-time communication? I've delivered seamless solutions with SignalR. Want intelligent integrations or automation? Been there, built that. Whether you need a robust API, third-party integrations, or a full-stack solution, I'm all about turning requirements into results, fast and efficiently. If you're looking for someone who speaks both code and business, let's connect. Let's build something that makes a difference. Ready to bring your ideas to life? Let's do it.